Uphiko oluphenya amacala akhethekile SIU lwakhipha umbiko ngesonto eledlule owawumayelana nenkohlakalo yezimpahla zokuzivikela egciwaneni iCorona. Kwakuphenya izinkontileka ezadla imali engaphezulu ka-13 billion. Esifundazweni iNorth West, babili koMasipala bathintekayo okuyi-JB Max kanye neRatlo. EJB Max kwavela ukuthi inkontileka yakhokhelwa imali engu-1.2 wezigidi zamarandi ngale kokwenza ucwaningo olugcwele kanti abanye bekhuphula kakhulu amanani. ERatlo khona abahlinza ngemisebenzi bakhuphula amanani ezimpahla. iSIU ikhiphe izincomo zokuthi kufanele bathathelwe izinyathelo nokuyinto eseyiqalile ukwenzeka.
Both the municipal manager and the chief financial officer have been served with the letters of notice to suspend, and in terms of the regulations, they have been given 7 days to respond as to why they must not be suspended.
The recommendation of the SIU was that disciplinary processes be initiated against the municipal manager and those officials, and I simply just complied. I did that. I have since served the municipal manager with a letter of my intention to suspend him. I gave him 7 days to respond.
Izikhulu kaMasipala iJB Max asinemeneze ngendlela elandeliwe.
It would have been better if I've been given any form that says this is your charge sheet, this is what we are charging you, this is what we are putting you under disciplinary, then I can be able to respond to any allegation.
Izikhulu zikahulumeni wesifundazwe zithi zilandele umthetho.
We are only complying to the principles of the law of natural justice, or the alteram partem rule, that their versions must be heard before we act. Then we'll decide whether we subject them to discipline whilst they are at work or they would need to be at the street.
Izikhulu kaMasipala iRatlo sona senqabile ukuphawula ngelithi lolu daba lusezandleni zobomthetho.